them to focus a lot on art. So when a child is given every opportunity to actually explore their artistic facts in them. And they are from all different grades. So if you see, there's one 6C, there is someone from 7C, 8D. In 1 month we do say like Pablo Picasso, and so we learn all the details of Pablo Picasso. So whether there's a grade 1 child or grade 10 child, they learn the things about Pablo Picasso. This is the place where we have the crèche here. They play at the crèche where students come after school. There's availability with parents.
So I have this is the by like KG. They go at 12:30, but grade 1 onwards they go at 3, like 2:30. They usually, but parents are working, so they usually let us. Parents will avail the services who are working. Are made by the teachers.
See, all of this that you see here, all the boards, everything is actually the work of the teacher. Because if teachers support and work to make the children feel welcome in the school, and that's why you see they are very colorful, very vibrant, very welcoming and warm boards in the corridor of the into the classroom now. One line will go from the back. Everyone, let's explore.
Whatever is being made here, everything is made by teachers. Okay, these are the months of the year. Some of the things you will see. This is the weather chart. So whenever a child is coming, they look outside and they put what is the weather. Then noisometer. Whenever we are starting one activity, we do noise. Students noise level, like yes, if they want to work with no voice, they want to work with their
Ma'am has put it on partner
partners,
voice.
so they are talking in a group.
Now
When-
ma'am has put it on no voice.
No voice means the reading time basically.
They have to be quiet.
They have to be quiet and
They can easily be heard by someone sitting next if they are that song, right?
But if they are out, other sense of that, everybody in the back can also take part. Okay, we take you to one more class. To understand, here the teachers created a beehive and in the board where central call the chips they want. They can't read, but they recognize. They can very easily find it. They will. You try giving them a different one, they tell you. ये नहीं चाहिए, ये वाला चाहिए. Right? They are able. Other than these, could be our regional languages from India. There are so many, and some so beautiful ones. And other than that, other languages. As you move it.
सेल्फ अटेंडेंस बोर्ड जैसे अस्वी का है वो इसमें डाल देगी, शिवांश आया तो इसमें डाल देगा, जो नहीं आया वो नहीं डालेगा।
ये बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है, ठीक है। करवाते हैं इसको।
हम्म।
We can go into one more classroom here. हर classroom के अंदर भी learning centers हैं। अभी बड़ा सर्वे करेंगे। सर इसके अलावा community में event ऐसे कोई नहीं ताकि सब देख पाएं। बड़ा Guys, please come this way. Here. Everyone here. Not just Hindi, English, maths पढ़ाते हैं. There are 7 key learning. There is literacy and reading corner. There is learning station for Hindi reading corner अलग से. Numeracy numbers. There is expressive arts and design. हर चीज इम्पोर्टेंट है बच्चों के लिए सीखना और वो लर्निंग स्टेशन पे इंडिपेंडेंटली करने वाली एक्टिविटीज अलाइन करती है। टीचर कुछ पढ़ा रही हो सकती है, बच्चा कोई बच्चा जल्दी खत्म कर लेता है, सकते हैं सारे बच्चे, कोई थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाता है, कोई थोड़ा 5 मिनट बाद, तो वो शुरू के जो 10-15 मिनट होते हैं सुबह के, बच्चे आते हैं अपने आप अपनी पसंद की एक्टिविटी उठाते हैं, वो करते हैं और रखते हैं वापस और फिर अपनी बाकी क्लास के लिए रेडी होते हैं। It's independent learning in a big way. Okay? And whatever you see all around, a lot of it is student work. Self-attendance, पहले explain था. Days of the week, morning circle time में 3 sentences में today, yesterday, tomorrow और ये रोज करेंगे तो what is the date today? What is the date? Date 22nd, 2/2/22. Okay, what was the date yesterday? 2/1/21. Today is 23rd. Oh, then what was the date yesterday? 22. What will be the date tomorrow? 2/4/24. So children may not always give the right answer, but the teacher doesn't say no. Okay? The teacher says okay, but invariably from amongst the children, like आप लोगों के साथ भी हुआ ना अभी, आंसर आएगा. क्यों? आज कौन सी है? हाँ, कहाँ से देखेंगे हम? कहाँ से देखेंगे? कैलेंडर में मार्क है. अब यहाँ पे लास्ट क्लास फ्राइडे को हुई होगी तो टीचर ने उस हिसाब से मार्क करी हुई होगी. Not too much clutter. खाली वो दिखने. You see a lot of things there also. Lot of ideas there. After stairs.
के लर्निंग स्टेशंस देखें। हाँ। वो लर्निंग स्टेशन पे हो क्या रहा है वो समझने की कोशिश करें। Everyone can come and understand what he's explaining.
Often come back to us saying that बहुत होमवर्क आ गया है, पढ़ाई खेलने का टाइम नहीं मिलता हमारे बच्चों को। तो what we've done is Monday से for example English, Tuesday maths and science, Wednesday Hindi. So like that we have made a homework schedule for every class. So for example if a child knows that today अच्छा मुझे English का homework मिलने वाला है, तो they will take only the English textbook home, and we have a schedule that we follow that every. So if a 3A child is getting English homework, 3B child will also get an English homework. ये नहीं कि 3A में अलग homework, 3B में अलग homework. So that is uniform everywhere, right? And that ensures bags are lighter, right? And children have more time to spend at home with the family, right? Also for those who come late, these are all activities which are.
चल
आराम से बैठ के कुछ एक्टिविटीज है। एक खाली हॉल में आप क्या लिखेंगे?